Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Thank you for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. 24 projects coming out to you, 2 a week, all the way through and into December. We are well past the halfway mark now, and this is today's project. It is one of our little clear treat boxes, 2 by 2 inches, 5 by 5 centimetres, filled with lovely little chocolate Christmas pudding treats. Okay, super quick, super easy. It's a really good craft fair seller. Okay, so we get, how many do we get? We get 16 in a pack of our little clear treat boxes, and they come with a bit of the film on it already. Yeah, you're going to see it on my hand. A little bit of the film on it already, and that's so that they don't scratch each other while they're packed away. So you just peel that off and pop it open and fold it along all of the score lines. And you kind of need to get that going first, really, before you start doing anything else. So, now I found my chocolates on Amazon, as I often do. I don't get to go out shopping very often. I have got lots of small children and they find it terribly boring and being very busy. So I don't get to go out very often, and I kind of feel that Amazon is like a great big Christmas bazaar where there's all sorts of everything to find, and I love hunting on there. Okay, so can you see that you've got a U shape, you've got 2 little tabby bits, and you've got one that sticks out like that. So you put the U shape in first. Let me find something you can see again, so that's probably really no help. So you put the U-shaped one in first, then the side, and it will tuck under, and the other side, and that will tuck under as well there. And then this third one, fourth one even, can't count, pop it all the way in, and just kind of get your fingers in to manipulate it, and that is closed. Right, so my DSP strip, which I cut very carefully and have now lost. What have I done with that? Oh, it's here. It's gone the wrong way up. I'm using the Joyous Noel paper. Now, I didn't use the patterned one there, but I am on this one. And I've measured out 1 inch by 9 inches. So that's 2.5 by 23 centimetres. Now, you can fold it round, but it's going to be too fat. You need it very slightly smaller. So I'm going to use my trimmer, but I'm moving my cutting blade, dark grey cutting, pale grey scoring, this one, shifting it right out of the way, and I'm going to score it a little hair under 2 inches, just under 5 centimetres. And then this line I've scored, I'm going to line it up to that same place again. So, a hair under. And I'm just going to keep using this score line and moving it down. So it's just a bit under until I've got 4 score lines done, which I now can't see that one. And that should hopefully, fingers crossed, give me paper that's going to fit nicely inside. Yay! See, fits nicely inside. Okay, you can glue it if you want to. I'm actually not going to bother because, you know, we're working on a quick Christmas craft fair project, and I'm going to throw my chocolates all over my desk. I don't know if I've got enough actually to fill this. I haven't, and I promise you I haven't eaten any. I promise. Can't guarantee my children haven't eaten any. I haven't. Okay, pop it close. That's quite a poor effort. That's barely full. Okay. Last time I used the velvet ribbon. I'm going to use this one. Oh, apparently I'm not. Oh, I might just about be able to get a knot. Oh, can't believe that. I'm going to place another order. Okay, don't need that anymore. Oh, I hope I can get a knot out of this. Love this stuff though. Oh, am I going to do it? Just might have some really dodgy frayed ends, but I will just about get it done. Look at that. Oh, those ends are terrible. We'll trim them up, make them look pretty. Who knew I could tie a tiny little knot? Not me. Apart from the fact that I've got it on sideways, let's just slip that round and put it on the right way round. And then let's do some stamping and some heat embossing. Okay, so I haven't done any heat embossing for ages, but I have got my copper and I've got 2 diddy little pieces of cardstock. So this is 1 inch by 1 3/4. So what was that in metric? That is 2.5 by 4.5. And this one, excuse me, is just a tiny little bit bigger. So it's 1 1/8 by 1 7/8. So that is 2.3 by 4.8 centimetres. So basically what I didn't want it to do was to cover over completely. Okay, Peaceful Noel stamp set, the one that matches. I'm going to go with Noel again. Yeah, we're going to go with Noel. Photopolymer, thankfully, which means that I can see exactly what I'm doing. Where's my Versamark? Here it is. And I've got my embossing buddy just on there. Versamark on there. And then hope to goodness I can see, but the lights are all reflecting like crazy, so can't actually see. Onto there. Yes, thanks. That works. Okay, I just neatly folded a piece of paper. And I've got my copper embossing powder. I'll try and pick this up on a corner. That's better. And then pull that back in. And I'm now going to heat this. So if you're listening loud, turn your volume down. Holding it in place with a pair of scissors. And this is going to turn from dull powder into wonderful, glossy, shiny copper. It's going to be beautiful. It's like alchemy. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is where my spotlights come into play. Shiny, gorgeous and lovely. Right. A little bit of snail on there. And this is a very tight border on this one. And a bit more snail on there. Pop it on the front. And quick and easy craft fair project, or nice little treat, table gift perhaps, I'm not sure. Just lovely. Love it, love it. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.